watch and stuff. Feel on the right-hand side, all the way down on the right.
The handrails, come on down, folks. Go ahead. Right over here. Don't worry, I don't bite. Yeah, they won't let me do that anymore. Oh, watch your head, watch your step. Use the handrails. Come on down, folks. Come on down. I'd say come on aboard, but I'd rather you guys come on excited. More fun that way, right? Yeah, come on down, come on down. Watch your head, watch your step. Use the handrails. Yeah, you guys can also sit in the center box right here as well. Alright, we're out of here, folks. Like a herd of turtles. Don't worry, I'll turn off the light in just a moment. Ta-da! Yeah, there we go. Alright, everybody, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. You guys excited?
Yes, sir. A little bit.
Alright, folks. So, up ahead, this is going to be our mystifying experience. Are you guys ready for it? It is called the Amazon Rainforest. Please let me know if you missed it. Beautiful, huh? Yeah. Did you know it rains here 385 days out of the year? Yeah, almost every single day. I know. It's wild, huh? Don't do the math, it hurts. Alright, folks, I am Skipper Troy. I'm going to be your skipper for, well, as far as we can get. So for your safety, please remain fully seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, watch your children. Watch your parents. I don't want to. Hi guys, two in the doorway. If you guys want, you guys can sit in the middle. Yeah, if you want. It helps me balance my boat a little bit more. Yeah, I like my diet. Oh, look at that, folks. This right here is a Himalayan tiger. You can tell because sometimes Himalayan over here. Right now, him is standing, and that's why we're leaving. Alright, folks. This right here, look at that. It's a statue of an elephant looking for their contact lens. Yeah, it's a sign we're going to see elephants. Get it? Because there's elephants. We're actually approaching the ancient Indian elephant bathing pool, where the Indian elephants bathe anciently in a pool. I know, it's unheard of, huh? Get it? Heard. Thank you, I'll be here always. Oh, that one right there, that's Bertha. Say hi, Bertha. Did you guys know that Bertha's been in that shower for almost 70 years? Yeah. I mean, see what happens, kids, when you take a long shower. You turn into an elephant. Be careful, okay? Oh, hey, what's up, Squirt? Alright, let's get out of here. If all you guys are in the back, I can duck. Yeah, go duck. Oh, I'm just kidding. A little dry humor. Oh my gosh, that looks fun. Let's get closer. Alright, folks, we gotta keep our eyes peeled for this guy. It looks like he's the one calling the shots. I guess you can say that these party animals are real intense, huh? Oh my gosh, they left the lights on. We're never going to get that Jeep to turn over now. Oh well. Alright folks, if you look on the right side of the boat, you see that? Now if you look on the left. Thank you. Oh, hey, anybody wearing yellow? No yellow? Okay, just don't make any banana noises. He finds it appealing. Oh, speaking of bananas, let's make like a banana and turn right. Alright, into the world's longest river right over here. This is the Nile River. Fun fact about the Nile River. It goes on for 7,000 Niles. I know. It just keeps going on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. Fascinating stuff, huh? If you guys don't believe me, then you guys can disbelief, but I love the effort. Oh, this right here is Bobo. Go ahead, Bobo, go ahead. Ooh, now in French. Ooh, now in sign language. Oh my gosh, he's so good at that. You know what he said? Denial. Oh, look at that, folks. These three right here are the oldest animals in the jungle. You can tell. They're still in black and white. Yeah. Can you guys take a guess what I call the really tall ones in the back? Trees. Oh, look, a sleepy horsey. Oh my gosh, he looks tired, huh? Oh gosh. Rest in pieces, buddy. Uh-oh, no. Hey, Skipper Feely! Where's your boat, man? Oh my gosh, I told you not to argue with the rhinos. You know, you get that point across in the end. Alright folks, I need your help. Everybody say hyenas! Yeah, that doesn't help them much, but good luck! Oh gosh. Oh, hey look! We found this boat! It's surrounded by hippos though, oh gosh. Okay, so they said it's only dangerous if they're poking their heads out and blowing bubbles. Honestly, it looks like they're gonna try to charge the boat. Unfortunately, I only have cash on me, so go ahead and cover your ears. I'm gonna try to scare them out. Oh, that didn't work. Plan B. Yeah, plan B. Shoot! Shoot! You're welcome. I just saved your life. Yeah, no, I need all the validation again, so thank you. Oh my gosh. You know what I like to call that one? That hippo shot I missed. I know. Someone told me the other day, craziest thing, that my job was so easy, a monkey could do it. Oh gosh. Well, joke's on them, those are chips. I tell you the difference when it's a long tail. I don't know if we have the time for it. Hey, unrelated, anybody want to buy a boat? It's half off. That's okay, I wouldn't buy it either. Oh, look at these two over here. This is Anita and Annette. Yeah, they got into the supplies again. Gosh. You know, honestly, at this point, I don't think anything bugs them anymore. Yeah. You know, I can't really get into butterflies. They're just not what they used to be. And caterpillars. Alright, folks, the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water! And that's a rock up in it. Yeah, it's actually one of our boulder attractions, did you know that? Yeah, my sentiments exactly. A lot of people take that one for granted. Yeah, I try not to get too jaded about it too. Honestly, I thought it was a really rock solid joke, huh? A real diamond in the rough, huh? Hey, I promise next time I'll have a boulder delivery. Alright, yes, that is a snake. Actually, that is a python sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love. Then comes a really constricting relationship that I don't want to get wrapped up in. Alright folks, we saw a bunch of things and missed a couple things, but one thing we did not miss on the way out, the gift shop of course, also known as Trader Sam's. It's a little monkey business we got going on over there. The two on the left, they're trying to set a sales record. And the one on the right with the camera, we don't pay him. Yeah, because he's doing it for the exposure. Hey, maybe one day his career will develop, huh? Alright, folks, you know what this means? You just survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Give yourself a round of applause! You have truly and honestly been outstanding! And in a moment, you guys are going to be outstanding somewhere else. So for your safety, please remain fully seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Yes, that does include your hands, shoulders, knees, and toes, and elbows, and anything else you don't want to lose in the water. Alright, get out.